Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are doing well. I am your Momita ma'am and I am here to take your EVS class, children. So get ready with the EVS book, EVS copy and with a pencil and eraser. In our last class, children, we have learned about what was the chapter name, children? A house. In our last class, we have learned about house. Today we will do the question answers of this chapter. But before doing the question answers, children, I will revise this chapter with you. Like food and water, house is one of our basic needs. The early humans used to live in caves or on trees. Slowly they learned to build houses. We live in a house. A house protects us from rain, cold, heat, dust and insect. It also protects us from animals and thieves. We keep our belongings safe in a house. Types of house. There are different types of houses. A house made of mud, sticks, straw and leaves are called kacha house. They are mostly seen in villages. They are weak and do not last long. These are the picture of kacha houses. Next is houses which are made of bricks, wood, cement and steel are called pakka houses. Pakka houses are mostly found in towns and cities. Nowadays, pakka houses are found even in villages. They are much stronger than kacha houses. People in cities live in different houses or in multi-storied buildings. In these buildings, there are many flats or apartments. Skyscrapers are very tall buildings which may even have 100 stories. Most people work and settle down in one place. Some people live in temporary or moving houses such as caravan, tent, houseboats, etc. Next is a caravan is a house on wheel. Nomads live in caravan. It is movable and can be parked anywhere. Tent is a temporary house made of canvas. It is easy to put up. It can easily be folded and carried to any other place. Tents are mostly used by mountaineers, military and picnic camps. Houseboats are houses which float on water. Many people in Kashmir live in houseboats. People living in very cold regions build houses of snow and ice. Such houses are called igloos. Igloos are dome-shaped. Turn the page, children. At places where it rains a lot, there is always a danger of flood. People build sleet houses at such places. Sleet houses are wooden houses which are supported by wooden poles. They are built at a height. Look at this picture, children, you will understand. Okay? Houses that are built in any place depends on many factors such as the building material available in that area, the climate of that place, the needs of the people building the house. So this was the chapter, children. Let's go over what is there. Let's see. Like food and water, house is also our basic need. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust and animals. There are many kinds of houses. Houses built in a place depends upon the building material available, needs of people and climate of that place. So children, now we will do the question answers. See, question number 1. Tick the correct option. 3 options are given, children. You have to tick the correct option. One of our basic need is number A, mobile, number B, house, number C, television. It will be number B, house. Number 2, a kacha house is made of number A, straw and mud, number B, canvas, number C, cement and bricks. It will be number A, straw and mud, kacha house. Houseboats are found in Delhi, Kashmir, Pune. The answer will be number B, Kashmir. Number 4, in very cold region, people live in igloos, houseboats, tents. It will be igloos. Very tall buildings with many stories are called number A, caravans, number B, skyscrapers, number C, flats. It will be number B, skyscrapers. Question number B, using the clues, fill in the blanks. Some clues are also given here and fill in the blanks is here. You have to put the proper answer in proper place. Kacha houses are mostly seen in dash This will be villages. Number 2, a dash is a house on wheels. It is caravan. Number 3, house in any place depends upon the dash of that place. Answer will be climate. Number 4, a house should get enough sunlight and fresh air. In this blank place you have to write, children, sunlight. Number 5, houses are of different dash and sizes, shapes and sizes. Okay, so today we have done number A and number B. Practice, children. You have to go through the chapter thoroughly. Many questions are here within the chapter. Of the question answers we have done only question number A and B. Next day I will do the answer of this following questions. For this one you have to prepare the chapter very well. So take care of yourself, children. God bless you. Bye.